Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Decision Heroes Community Chat. Today, I am so pleased to be joined by Fernando Martinez Cabra, Principal Consultant here at FICO in our advisors group. Fernando, thanks so much for joining us today. I'm just thrilled to have you with us. Today, we're going to talk about how to build an extensible, future-proofed originations strategy. So, Fernando, I know that we're seeing a lot of financial institutions that are really struggling to adapt to this new digital first mindset. They're having a hard time with the pandemic and trying to figure out originations and account opening with digital first. The processes are so slow, they're manual, they're outdated, and it's really frustrating for today's digital first consumers. I want to know, as our decision hero, how do you see digital transformation really revolutionizing account opening?
Sure, Mica. To begin with, I believe that it really starts with streamlining and personalizing the customer experience to make the customer feel unique and reducing friction across channels to a very few thoughtfully designed points that can be extremely valuable for managing risk and making customers feel safe. Things that are really important when it comes to digital account opening process that organizations should look into include things like drive profitability and completion rates for your best customers, deliver personalized, engaging experiences to be fintech competitive, win back abandoned applications with automated management and outreach in the customer's preferred channel. And there are a number of questions that organizations should ask themselves in order to check whether they are on the right track for a best of breed digital account opening. Things like, have you truly embraced the digital first mindset? Or how do you win back abandoned applications to improve your conversion rates? Or are you aggravating good customers with unnecessary friction?
Right. We don't want to aggravate our customers, and you find it so much. If you're going to open an account and you already know me, you should act like you know me. It's a good point, and I think it's really important for our viewers and listeners to keep in mind. Now, I know here at FICO, you are a huge advocate of encouraging organizations to evolve their digital and analytic capabilities. And you're kind of an analytics geek, I hear. So can you share how the financial institutions can become more agile and more resilient and more scalable? I mean, what I'm really driving at is how do they become best in class market leaders in this space?
Yeah, that's a great question, Micah. I think that it really comes down to extensible, unified, future-proof solutions that are designed for business, not technical user. So an extensible solution that fits today's needs and scales for tomorrow's. So you can efficiently add extra line of business or extra geographies or products at any time. A solution that seamlessly connects to and ingests data from numerous data sources, both internal and external. A solution that supports and provides world-class decision management and analytics. An open solution that removes IT dependence and that is in the hands of the business users who can rapidly design, configure, and deploy new strategies in a question of weeks, if not days, without any IT intervention. A solution that facilitates a test and learn environment for a continuous evolution of your strategies in order to ensure that you always have the best strategy in place. In summary, a solution that approves desired customers quickly with simple, compliant, streamlined, personalized digital first experiences. And as we did in the previous question, I think that there are all the questions that organizations should ask themselves in order to understand where they are in terms of having the right solution in place. Things like, are your business users empowered to automate and innovate quickly? Does your solution scale well? Or how quickly can you design, test, and deploy strategies?
Right, right. I think that point on business users is so critical. We love our IT folks and our technical staff, but to be responsive in today's market, we really have to empower business users to make changes, test and learn. And I think if the pandemic and 2020 and 2021 have shared anything with us, it's that agility and responsiveness is absolutely critical for moving forward. Good stuff. Good. So you're talking about all these questions that folks should be asking themselves, and I'm wondering, do you have any examples of organizations that have embarked on this journey or are starting to embark on this extensible platform journey? And how is it leading to a competitive advantage for them?
Sure. Most recently, financial services leading organization operating across 12 countries in Central and Eastern Europe chose FICO Originations solution powered by FICO platform as their enterprise credit decision engine. And they did so with three primary objectives in mind. First, uniformity, right? So working across 12 countries, they needed a unified, standardized cloud solution that could support all locations consistently with robust global data access. Second, extensibility. So the plan was to deliver fast time to value, starting with originations to then expand to other business areas and use cases. And third, safety. So to increase customer satisfaction, decrease friction, but without detriment to risk quality. And this is anything but a minor topic because it is estimated that the credit decision taken at account origination potentially influences up to 80%, 80, of miserable risk over the life of that account.
Fantastic. Fantastic. So if you want to learn more, I think we have a wonderful resource out on the FICO community in the customer credit lifecycle section, and you'll be able to meet with many, many more experts and hear thought leadership from those like Fernando. Fernando, I want to thank you so much for your time today. I want to congratulate you on being a decision hero, and I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful season.
Thank you.